Today I will introduce our decarboxylation reaction. As we know, decarboxylation is a very important step before your material entering the molecular destination. It's a process of recovering COH when CBD molecules are heated and make CBDA to CBD. And it's also can recovering the residue ethanol. Now let's look at its structure. It's a reaction vessel, and it's a UL certified motor, and it's ball wave and reflex design, and it's the large condenser for improving the air, for improving recovery, and it's the connection tank, and it's the UL certified controller. And look at this. This is the discharging wave, and customers always use 110 to 130 degrees to for their working time, for their working temperature. It takes about 2 to 3 hours per patch. For decarboxylation reaction, customers always match our temperature control system and vacuum system. So these machines are also optional. That's all for our decarboxylation reaction.